Gill Ellis' young birthday lies in January 1965. She was born in the UK and is a present resident of the identical. Gill Ellis' young age is at present 55 years. She can be turning 56 the subsequent 12 months. Her eyes are black-colored whereas her hair shade is black. Gill Ellis' young zodiac signal is Aquarius. Gill Ellis Young is a 55 12 months outdated actress from the UK who's often identified for showing in lots of motion pictures and TV sequence. Among the motion pictures have been tremendous hit on the field workplace, on others have carried out averagely, whereas a few of them haven't carried out properly. She has been part of varied motion pictures and TV sequence all through her profession. Presently, there isn't any stable data obtainable in regards to the faith that she devotes herself to. Gill Ellis' young height is estimated at around 150 centimeters, whereas her weight is roughly 58 kilograms. If the reviews are to be believed, she is at present not but married and furthermore shouldn't be relationship anybody. We've got no details about her previous relationships, if any. She imagine and main a personal private life and doesn't share any data within the public area, and this is among the primitive causes we've restricted details about her and no details about her household by any means. Nonetheless, she is among the upcoming actors within the nation, together with another content material creators like Shivani Bhavna, Yashraj Mukherjee, to call just a few. Gill Ellis' young net worth last year: $12,000. Aside from the above talked about motion pictures and TV serials, she has been part of different motion pictures as properly, however, for some kind of causes can't be talked about right here. Gill Ellis Young is also referred to as Woman Sonia within the leisure trade. She started growing curiosity within the leisure trade when she was solely a youngster, and albeit talking, she grabbed her first position as a film actress when she was solely 18 years of age. Since then, the graph has solely shot upwards. Together with being an actress, she can also be widespread as a mannequin, has been part of varied modeling consignment all through her profession as a mannequin. Simply like motion pictures and TV exhibits, she grabbed her first modeling consignment when she was solely 20 years of age, and like her appearing profession, her modeling profession has additionally boomed since then. Gill Ellis Young has additionally tried her palms within the older trade and has been profitable at being a side of it. She has accrued hardcore followers within the older movie trade, and the next is simply going to extend because the time passes by. As of at the moment, she stands as a profitable mannequin and as an actress even on the age of 55. She is most lively on 3 of the well-known social media platforms: Instagram, FB, and Twitter. Among the many talked about, Gill Ellis is essentially the most lively on Instagram and Twitter, greater than FB. Over there, we are able to see her sharing images and movies that give us an perception into her private life, and together with that we are able to even see her sharing insights into her modeling days.